How to change the color of photo in Canva. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your photos in the Canva. First of all, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of application on your device. You can simply install it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Do it and then log into your account. Now to choose the photo, what you can simply do is you can see there are many options on the down bar. Just go on the gallery option and then choose a photo you want to. After choosing the photo, you want to change the color of the photo. Then what you can do is tap on the adjust option. Now you can just tap on auto adjust if you want to, or you can also tap on the temperature by which the color will be changed. Like if I put the high temperature, then the color of my photo will be very yellow, or if I do it very low, then it will be changed to blue. You can also tint it, make it brighter as you want it. You can also change it to in contrast, highlight it as well, shadows, white, blacks, vibrant, saturation, and you can also color edit it. To color edit it, you can simply choose the color. So if you want to color edit it in brown, then just tap on brown and choose it like this. So yes, this is how you can change the color of your photos on the Canva. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.